Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created these crochet distressed butterfly faux locks. So for this DIY, you're going to be needing any passion or spring twist air of your choice. For this particular project, I used the Darling Passion Twist Air in color 33. I also used old braiding hair that I had lying around. I add it in color 1. Preferably you would want to use a matching color, that is the passion twist hair should match your braiding hair, but if not, my hair is black anyway, so it can work. Now I'm going straight to this DIY. I am using my flat iron to sort of melt the braiding hair that I had sectioned out, and the essence of this is, okay, you just want your loop, because you're going, this part that you're melting or eating up is going to be used to create the loop for your crochet blocks. So this will help the braiding hair to stay in place and not, be frizzy. After binding the braiding hair with the flat iron, you're now going to place the braiding hair across the cable and create a wide enough loop before you start braiding the hair down. So you're going to fluff out the hair. Yes, this is what's going to help you to create the messy look. So you want to fluff it out with your hand or with a white tooth comb, however you like to do it. Now I'm taking the crochet hook pin or crochet hook through the loop and grabbing the hair. Yes, just this bit out of the loop, and I'm going to hold that along with the braided hair and start wrapping. So you want to wrap it loosely in order to be able to get the messy and butterfly effect. And you can also wrap the hair around your finger, just to create that swollen effect on the side, which is, aka butterfly locks. But I didn't want it to be too obvious. I didn't want the butterfly effect to be too much, so what I did was just wrap loosely. If you notice, I changed the wire cables that I was using from a blue one to a white one. That was because, thankfully, I found out on time that if I had created this crochet hair on the blue cable, I would not have been able to successfully bring out the end product from the cable, because of the end of the cable was too fat and too wide compared to the loop of my. So you really want to make sure that the cable you're using, when you finish creating your locks, you can easily bring the locks out of the wires or the whatever it is that you're using. I'm adding extra hair because, of course, I want I want the hair to be long. I want to create long butterfly locks, so I'm adding extra hair. Later on in this video, you'll see other clips that will be slowed down, and you can see how I added the extra hair. And I'm really sorry, some clips here that I have here, I was completely out of frame and I did not realize. Please do forgive me for that. And by the way, guys, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please wait no more, waste no time, click the subscribe button down there. When it turns gray, you know you're part of the family. And while you're at it, make sure you click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you. Now, something else I would like to advise: when creating yours, make sure you use enough air. Like, I did not use enough air while wrapping. I was basically trying to avoid having heavy locks, so I did not use so much hair while creating my locks, because I did not want the locks to be heavy. But I ended up having issues with passing my individual braids through the full locks, because of course they were not wide enough, like they were not large enough, and the air was not thick enough. So make sure that, again, the size of your braids while installing is relative to the size of the locks you created. Please bear that in mind, okay? So after wrapping up to almost the end of the actual braiding hair that is forming the base of your locks, of your butterfly locks, by the time you wrap, like when you're done wrapping and you still have some passion twist hair left, you're basically going to wrap it all the way up again until you're done wrapping the entire passion twist hair round itself again. Keep watching if you want to know what it is I'm talking about. Again, on this particular clip, you can see that I'm totally out of frame. I apologize, but towards the end of the video I have a clear enough clip to show you what I meant by wrapping all the way back up. So that's it, guys. I made a total of 59 locks, of which, yes, I did the rest off camera. So please feel free to let me know if you're going to try this. And if you're yet to see the previous video where I actually installed this, make sure you check it out, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.